Hey there, Foldabots builder. This is the Foldabot Assembly Guide. All you need are scissors and glue to build Astig. Let's go! So first, get the Astig main body and apply some glue on that tab right there and hold it into place. And when that's dry, get one of the boosters and roll it up into a pen. I'm using a colored pencil here until it gets nice and round like how you did in the practice sheet. Hope everyone did that. So add some glue on that label called booster and hold it a few more seconds. Sometimes it helps to put back that pencil or that pen in it so that it can really hold into place. Do that again for the other one. So just have patience with the curling because it's going to go a long way in making this robot stable. So you got the two boosters, and now we'll proceed with the skate deck. So put some glue at the back of Astig's main body and align it to the skate deck where I put some slits in there to serve as your guide. So when the shoulders are aligned there, then you know it's in the right place. Next, I'm doing the wheels. So to make the wheels a little bit more sturdy, we're gluing two sides of the wheel. One is the orange one with the label, and one is the front part of the wheel. So do that 4 times until you get 4 sets. Now we got all the parts complete. So first, we glue the boosters. So put glue on the part labeled skate deck. So it's nice if you're using the Foldabots glue applicator so that you only use a little film of glue that will be just right for this usage. So place it there right underneath the knees, like so. And when they don't keep rolling out of place, it's time to put some glue on the parts labeled W on the sides, which is where you'll stick the 4 wheels. 2 on one side and 2 on the other. There you go. So last part, just put glue on the bottom part of the labels L and R of the arms. And it helps if you insert a pencil right there if your fingers do not fit in that shoulder portion because this skateboard is a bit thin. Okay, so it helps if you roll it out a little. And that's it. Just curve the deck so it looks more skateboard-like and curve the arm so that it faces us. Let's see how it stands. So Astig in robot mode stands up this way. Make sure those 2 projections on its sides of its face are pointing down. And this part here on the bottom is pointing back, which serves as its stabilizer. And we have Astig. And in robot mode, all you need to do is to tuck those arms in and flatten those laterals beside its head. And then just straighten out the deck a little. And there you have it. Astig the skateboard. Thank you for watching.